Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the review of the Gundam Build Divers High Grade 1144 scale Love Phantom number 19 in the lineup. Where I last left off, all the gimmicks. So you had the waist cannons, you have the beam scythe, you had the beam handles, but no actual saber blade part coming out of the freaking handles. Okay, you can bend his toes down and kind of balance it on his toes. You have this backpack, which it's kind of weird. You gotta like flip it up and then I think it goes like this. Yeah, it's something like this, I believe. I don't know. I don't care. Something, I don't know, something very, very stupidish like this that you could do. And it's already coming apart. That's what I can feel about that. So we're just going to leave it off for the moment. But on the back part, you can put the scythe on there. There is a little thing that you can do to put it on there. So we are just going to leave those off to the side. Now you can have it in flight mode, which apparently doesn't want to work in flight mode. You could open up the cannon here, which, my god, the barrels on this cannon is real winky dinky teeny tiny. They don't even look like a cannon. I mean, at least these on the waist skirt, they look like a cannon compared to this. Okay. Then you can fold out these and detach them. These little sides here, which don't really look anything like a citto. I think there's some kind of citto. What the heck did the instructions even call this stupid thing? Let's see. I think it said somewhere here. Striker sides. So you have striker sides. These don't look like any freaking scythe. These look like little praying mantis claws. You know? Oh, well, there, now you go. Now it looks even more like a praying mantis claw. Alright? Some people are saying that they were going to take this part, throw it away, or just, leave it for a kit bashing. Take the little piece that this part's into, kind of nip that off, shave this down, and turn this into now what it looks like an awesome sword, like the Strike Noir had. And if you remove this little pad on here, you could take this clear shield and I tell you to turn it inverted this way, so the long piece is actually going into the shoulder and then attach it on it, which looks stupid. You'd think that you put it this way, going down, which would make more sense as being a shield to cover more surface area of your hand. No, they wanted to go inverted. Just like how they wanted the wings to go inverted. Also, this scythe praying mantis, well, yeah, scythe, no, citto. I don't know what the heck they call this. Scythe, yeah, this was the scythe. So they wanted you to take this scythe slash praying mantis claw, or the really cool sword, and put it in the hand. It does not hold it in the hand. Neither does it hold the death scythe in its hand. You know why? The hands are square. So you have something like this. A square hand. But the pads on the handles for that and this are round. So what is the square going to do in round? Just what it does here. It goes flippy floppy, loosey goosey, turns all the way around. Now if they had round hands with a round little pad hole in the hand, oh, guess what? You put round with round, and it could, hold it. It could hold it up like this, inverted like this, it could hold it. But what they did, it's like this. So no matter what, it's going to go like this. So if you try holding it like this, the blade's going to go down. Hold it like this, blade's still down. hold it to the side, brace down. If they put wound with wound, it'll be like this. You know, you pair it in this mode, it's going to go this mode. You turn it upwards, it's going to be upward. You turn it up like this, it's going to be up like this. You could even turn it down and it'll be down like this. But what they do, turn it down and whoop, it slides out. Wound handles, wound with a square hand. They need to learn their shapes. It's like, you know, the old toys that, I don't know if you grew up with, where you like take that little hammer and you take those little wooden shapes and you try to put in a wound shape in a square hole. It doesn't go. Where you learn your shapes. Wound goes with wound, square goes with square, triangle with triangle, and you know, so forth and so on. Apparently, Japan, they learned their shapes. Because if they did, they would know, oh, wound handles would fit a lot better in a wound hand. Because, you know, it just goes in the wound hand and will hold on to it. No, they put square hands with the wound hand. Where's that thing going to go? Everywhere, but the way how you want to have the poses. Now what Zakura said of a way to get around the stupid square hand wound handle, get some putty. Get some putty, like modeling putty or even like some Play-Doh. Squish it up in their hand, square hand so that it can hold the wound handles. Yeah. But all in all, I mean, without, you know, the bad things that Bandai has done to this one, without making you paint the side, painting the vents, having round handles and stuff on it, it's still a great Gundam. I mean, it's still, on its own, looks very awesome, a very cool Gundam. I like the look of this Gundam. But it's just the BS that Bandai did, that they give us the handles but no sabers. They give us the sides that we have to paint. They give us wound handles on a square hand. They give us the beam shield that's not even matched on the box, and then they want us to put it upside down weird way that doesn't really fit on the Gundam. I mean, you could do it, but it doesn't really fit that way. Yeah. But I mean, all in all, if you have the money and you like this and you want it, I would definitely say it is a great Gundam to pick up if you don't mind all the BS that Bandai's done. The roundness, the not even mention, and doesn't really fit that way. The no saber part to go all Star Wars zoom, 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 you know, like a lightsaber. So yeah, we got the handle for the beam handle, or the beam hilt, or whatever you want to call it, but no beam saber or Star Wars lightsaber. So missing the lightsaber, you have to paint the handle, the round handles and square heads. Shield's not even mentioned anywhere on the box except for an instruction sheet. It comes in clear, which is a bad color choice for this kit. And they want you to put it in a way that doesn't really sit in the arm that great. Now you can't build the old Strike Freedom head, but the antennas for the V-fin, glue them in because they gotta be glued in. The guns, no handles for the guns. They do, you know, go into place to make like, you know, a combined gun. Although I can't figure out how to get the bottom portion on here. So if anyone knows and build it, let me know in a video and show me. Do you trip the little sides? Do you fire them down? And then get this one on? Because the other one is just one long piece. I'm talking about the one that comes into two pieces. That one I need to know how you do it. The backpack's not that bad. It's just, you know, you're going to have these things hanging off of here. And I guess nothing to really put on there. No, they don't really fit in there. Would this fit in there? No, but you know, without these little side pieces, if we fold them down, it still looks pretty cool as a backpack. And the shoulders looks cool. Some people don't like these little safety nubs on here, which I don't know if you can see them underneath there, but some people are trimming those pieces off. But all in all, my final thoughts is, since I already bought it and have it, I kind of liked it. But it's just the pain that, you know, the BS painting. You need to paint a line because they didn't do a great job. Not even mentioning they want you to put it on in a way that doesn't work that great. Stupid mantis-like design. round handles and a square hand. Yeah. But yeah, if you definitely liked it and loved the look and you don't mind the rest of the BS that, Bandai Japan did, then by all means go to GameStop, pick it up. You can hit them up on GameStop.com website, GameStop.com mobile app, or just walk into GameStop.com. Just walk into a GameStop. Alright? So don't forget, remember to rate, subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye. Also, a link to Misagisi's channel. So you could tell his thing. Now, he does have both of these built. And the head. I got what I could do that I could figure out. Yeah. Anyway. Alright, thanks, bye.